Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Alan's Venture. Hope you all are doing great. Old Delhi Railway Station was built in red stone to give the effect of nearly historic red fort. The station building had six clock tower and Tower 4 is still in use as a water tank. The station started with boat Great train from Kolkata in 1864, Metergard trek from Delhi to Rewari and further to Ajmer was laid in 1873 by Rajputana State Railway, and Metrograd train from the station started in 1876. All Delhi Junction Railway Station highlights. Some of the major highlights of Delhi Junction DLI station have been highlighted below for your convenience. Number of platforms 16, number of gates 2, number of tickets 8 tricks, vehicle parking details. Available, you will find premium parking and you will be charged as much as rate 100 for 2 hour. You will be charged 50 for 2 hour, rate 100 for 6 to 2 to 6 hour, rate 150 for 6 to 12 hour, and 200 for 12 to 24 hour. All Delhi Junction railway station is one of the busiest railway station in Delhi. It serves as a major transportation hub for both passengers and goods, connecting Delhi with the rest of India. The total number of trains that pass through All Delhi Junction DLI is 56. The station offers a wide range of facilities for the convenience of passengers, including tickets, counter, waiting rooms, food stall, and restrooms. It also has 16 platforms for the different trains that pass through the station, as well as a separate platform for long distance trains. The station is well connected to the rest of the city and the state through a network of buses and taxis. There are also parking facilities available for those who prefer to drive to the station. The station was remodeled in 1934 when its platforms were extended and power signals were introduced. A new entrance from Kashmiri Gate side was created in 1990 and new platforms were added. The platforms were renumbered in September to 2011. The numbers that started from Kashmiri Gate entrance as A1 and ended at 18 near the main entrance were new numbered starting as 1 from the main entrance and ending at 168 Kashmiri Gate entrance. And some platforms were merged to from long platform to accommodate trains of 24 coaches. The station building was renovated in 2012. Delhi Junction Railway Station is the oldest railway station in all Delhi. It is one of the busiest railway stations in India in terms of frequency. Around 250 trains start and are passed through the station Delhi. It is it was established near Chandni Chowk in 1864 when trains from Howrah, Kolkata started operating up to Delhi. Its present building was constructed by the British India government in the style of the nearby Red Fort and opened in 1903. It has been an important railway station of the country and preceded the New Delhi by around 60 years. Chandni Chowk station of Delhi Metro is located near it. How to reach Old Delhi Junction Railway Station. The location of Old Delhi Junction Railway Station allows you to reach the station easily as it is located in one of the most popular areas in the city. You can arrange stop pickups and drop from your hotel and hail a cab. Here are different way in which you can reach the station: bus, auto, taxi, cab, and metro. The present building of the station was built in 1900 and opened for the public in 1903. It started with just two platforms and 1,000 passengers. Delhi railway station now handle more than 1,18,000 passengers and around 190 trains starts and or passes through the station Delhi. In 1904, the Agra Delhi line was opened. Delhi then was a part of six railway systems: East India Railway, Northwestern Railway, and Oudh and Rohikanda Railway entered from Ghaziabad crossing the Yamuna River Delhi. So eventually, we have completed our vlog and hope you would love this. And our request to if you are new here, so do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you could get the very first notification of our upcoming videos.